These are the elevators of the Forbes Pride Building in Uptown South Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Here's your Dover Marshall T4 Impulse. This one's a new install, that one modernized, something old. For some reason, up doesn't respond only down does. Kind of like the Palace Hotel in Myrtle Beach. That's not big. Oh, these have the EPCO Haloline inside. Like the other one, issue 6, 5, 4, 3. We'll go up to 3, but it might go down. Up, we're going up. So, here are 3. This one is another charm. Hadfield. Basement open? It is open. It's a basic redone cab. I think this was done one time. The other one was modernized. The other one had these fixtures, but they're Otis modernized. These are still, I guess, here. Yes, I know I said the Lind, but I guess actually Hadfield. I'm trying to avoid one because I think there's a desk. The basement. I think these are mech doors. Alright, we'll go up to 2. We'll switch cars. These ones are sticky. 88 phone's a Dover phone. I was probably added when they were doing notes on these in the 90s. Surprised it doesn't go to like 1 for a security check. And now I got the other one. Otis, Wonky. Oh, now I hear. That's weird. You can respond to up or down, probably up. Or no, respond to down, yes. Basement. Through down. Basement. Guessing everything above 3 is locked. Oh, mech is open on this one. Extra flood. The other one doesn't go to that floor. Some timber left below. Maybe. Maybe that button's stuck. Yeah, that button was just stuck. Creaky. Same 88 Dover phone. Door close doesn't work. It's a basic, same redone cab. I think it's slightly different building, cab than the other building out here back at 2. I don't know if the other one's on a Dover T4 or if they're living on different controls, they just have different dispatches. I don't know if it responded to the down call or if someone called it downstairs. Yeah, call, that's gonna be it. Oh, you know, we're responding to down call before someone wants to call it.